to me, and even in NCF Delhi, NCF Guwahati, Dibrugarh, all this, my entire life, the pastors I know has been much elder to me. So there is an air of distance, but word of prayer. I realize I've been such a hypocrite, honestly, and this I have learned, and very important to continue pastors for the spiritual leaders in our life, that God will equip them and endow them with His divine wisdom, and God's leading will be upon them always. Again, talking about
me with then honor God, not me. This brother came to me this morning and said, since it's Pastor's Appreciation Day, I have one question for you. How do you define a good pastor? Take me aback, and I sat there for a split second, and I said, no.
Whatever I have today, this is
too much. Don't say that. I'm not going to one photo. One photo.
Ate!
500. Yeah.